After the death of Usman, people prevailed upon Imam Ali to accept Khilafah. Usman died on 24th Muharram in 35 Hijrah, and Imam Ali became Khalifa in the same month. The first thing he did after becoming the Khalifa was to dismiss all the corrupt governors and other officials. Muawiyah, who was the governor of Syria, did not accept the dismissal and responded by gathering together a Syrian army of 50,000 soldiers to fight Imam Ali. Imam Ali marched from Kufa with an army of 20,000. The battle took place north of Kufa at a place called Siffin on the banks of the river Furat. At one time during the battle, Imam Ali's army captured Furat. Muawiyah and his army were cut off from water. When Imam Ali heard that Muawiyah's soldiers were suffering from thirst, he ordered his army to let Muawiyah's army come to the river, saying, "Every living being is entitled to water." Immediately Imam Ali's army made a way for Muawiyah and his soldiers to come to the river and take as much water as they needed, and also to water their horses and camels. From Asr until sunset, Muawiyah's soldiers were at the riverbank drinking water, watering their animals and filling their mushks. When Imam Ali's officers complained to him, Imam Ali replied, "To deprive any human or animal of water is a sin Allah will never forgive." Yazid was at Siffin, so was Imam Hussain. When the Muharram of 60 Hijrah came, Yazid sent a secret order to Ibn Ziyad to force Imam Hussain away from Furat and then cut off Imam Hussain, his family and his companions from water. Ibn Ziyad gave orders to Umar ibn Sa'ad to do so. On the 3rd of Muharram, Umar ibn Sa'ad asked Imam Hussain to move his camp away from Furat. Imam Hussain and his camp were cut off from water, while 25 years earlier, his father had allowed Yazid's father and the army of 50,000 freedom to go to the river and take as much water as they had wanted. The children in Imam Hussein's camp were soon crying out, "Al-Atash, Al-Atash." Burair Hamdani was a companion of Imam Hussain. He was present at Karbala. On the night before Ashura, he could no longer stand the cries of Al-Atash, Al-Atash. In the dark of the night, he made his way to the river. He filled his mushk and secured the cap. He too was very thirsty, but he did not even think of drinking water when he was at the riverbank. How could he when the grandson of the Holy Prophet and his children were thirsty? On his way back, he was seen by 2 of the guards posted to make sure that no water reached Imam Hussein's camp. They tried to stop him. He attacked and killed them both. He brought the mush to Imam Hussein's camp. He called Bibi Fizza and asked her to take the mush to the children. There were more than 50 children in Imam Hussein's camp. They were all very thirsty. When they heard that water had come, they rushed. They put their cheeks on the mush to cool themselves. In the rush, the cap flew open and the water spilled. The children looked with pain and disappointment as the water disappeared into the desert sand. Burair was desolate. He raised his hands to the sky and cried, "O Allah, I have hoped that this, your humble servant, would tonight earn the du'as of the children of Imam. Oh, how very unfortunate Burair, the son of Hamdani, is." Imam consoled Burair, "My friend, you have earned the du'as of Fatima's son for your brave effort."